I was not planning to publish this video. Early morning, I published another video on YouTube, and this one was completely unplanned. If you haven't watched the other video, I will put the link right there. But after that, when I was checking the YouTube analytics, I realized that I've reached 2,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. Maybe 2,000 subscribers is not a lot by lots of standards. I'm pretty sure you have seen YouTubers with millions of subscribers. But for me, with this narrow area of technology that I work with, 2,000 subscribers means a lot. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here and supporting my channel. And I'm not just saying thank you by words, I mean it. And just for that, for the next 2-3 days, I am sharing a free voucher for every course that I have on YouTube, on Udemy. Each one of those courses, I have something around 10, 20, or 30 vouchers available. Please contact me on LinkedIn and I will send you the voucher. Just tell me which course you want. Of course, the number is limited and the days are limited. So I appreciate if you just ask for one voucher. I cannot afford 2 vouchers for one person. Let everybody enjoy this free vouchers and the available courses. Thank you again. I really appreciate your help. And here is the list of the courses and available vouchers. Here are available vouchers for working with web APIs in Microsoft Power Automate. I have 20 vouchers, but you have to claim it before May 7th. For Master Microsoft Flow Expressions in 2 hours, I have 10 vouchers. They are available till May 10th. And for Microsoft Flow Crash Course, I have 10 vouchers, and they are available till June 4th. Pick your course and send me your request on LinkedIn. Thank you again.